Pro Stroke Power Cryl brush is designed to work specifically with any of your acrylics. They'll work well with your extra heavy bodied acrylics all the way down to your fluid, thin, liquid acrylics as well. There's a proprietary 3-diameter multi-filament hair in the brush, which allows it to be absorbent but also give you superior control. So I'll just quickly show you, working with the brush. And I've got a 8 flat here. Let's just kind of see what kind of control I can get. So, looking for everything to stay together, no flaring out, sharp edges. Yeah, works very well. If I was going to go right into, just the thickest of paint, it will maintain brush strokes. It can work in that impasto sense. But on the other hand, if I wanted to thin this down, it will be super absorbent and hold lots of color, allowing me to have that same control, but take it further and work longer. And you can see there that the brush strokes do not show up at all. And also, I hope you can see kind of just how crisp of an edge I'm able to get. It comes to that razor sharp edge point right there. And then lastly, I will just quickly go to a round brush and look at how that might work for you. These are pure acrylic brushes. I mean, that's pure and simple. They're for your acrylic painting needs. You can just see the kind of controlled strokes you can get there in the fine edges. So these are Pro Stroke Power Cryl brushes for all your acrylic needs.